Wow. Damn, look at all that hair he has. Yeah, and that hair is mine. Hey guys, this is my 9-month update on my FUE hair transplant. So let's get right to it. So it's been 9 months since I had my FUE transplant, and this video is a testament that dreams really do come true. The way my hair looks right now, really, this is the way I dreamed it would look, and this is only at 9 months. I remember at about 7 months, Dr. Cortez said that the best is yet to come. And in my mind, I'm like, really, is it really gonna get better? And it really has. It seems that in the last 2 weeks, it just got like magically better in the last 2 weeks. It just got so thick that I'm actually using mousse and gel in my hair right now. And this is obviously the wet look, but you can see it. It looks so thick and nice. And even when I'm out in the world in the sun, you know, I just see with the thick black hair, it just looks so good and so natural. And I actually went to the store about 3 days ago, and I started talking to the cashier, and I told him, you know, I had a hair transplant because, you know, I like bragging about it. And the cashier was like, oh, I could never tell. Your hair just looks so natural. And I was like, thanks. He was like, where'd you have it done? And I said, oh, I went to Mexico. And he was like, really? And then he got even more interested. But then there was like a line forming, so I couldn't tell him more. But I could tell that he was like super interested. And he was like, no, it just looks so good, your hair. So random people think it looks great. So I should make a video where I ask random people what they think of my hair. I bet you all of them will be like, no, it looks like it's all yours, like you never had anything done. Okay, so I'm gonna do that whole spin around thing so you guys can see how it looks from the sides. Right now my hair, you know, has that wet look, but I'm gonna add some video also to show you how it looks dry that I filmed right before I styled my hair, okay? So this is how it looks from the side here. Very thick and healthy. That's the back. It's growing out. And then there's this side. Totally looks normal. And back to the front. I'll zoom in. You can see like little, it looks like little waves are forming there. Like I'm gonna have like this really cool 1950s Desi Arnaz, Ricky Ricardo hairdo soon. I basically have it now, but it's just gonna get like even better. So this is how my hair looks without any product. I'm just running my hands through my hair to show you guys how thick and robust the hair looks. And there are baby hairs there. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but there are still baby hairs coming through to this day, 9 months later. I mean, I'm totally surprised over that, but they're there. And grafts that look like they were single grafts now are becoming, you know, 2 grafts. Here's a side shot. Again, just showing how normal and natural the hair looks. It's growing out, looking better and better. And finally, this is a back shot. I want to show you guys that there's no visible scarring at all from the procedure. So it just looks like nothing was ever done. So if you guys are scared about a scar, don't be, because you can't tell anything ever happened. Anyways. So now I want to give some advice to guys that are thinking of having an FUE procedure. So my advice is, you know, if you're really thinking of having it, only tell the people that really need to know that you're going to have an FUE procedure, especially if you go to Mexico. Because the minute you tell someone that you're going to have an FUE procedure in Mexico, all of a sudden they're going to try to discourage you, or they're going to just fill you with fear because of all the stuff they see on the news and all this stuff. You know, people are motivated by fear, or they're jealous and they don't want you to get it. So only tell those that really need to know and that really care about you. Don't tell some random coworker, because all of a sudden, even though he's never been to Mexico, all of a sudden he'll be an expert on Mexico and Tijuana, and he'll be like, oh, you can't go there. You're going to come back all, you know, messed up. So just tell who needs to know, or don't tell anyone at all. Honestly, I didn't tell anyone. I mean, I did tell my sister that I was going to have FUE done, that I told her I was going to have it done in San Diego, because I knew if I had told her that I was going to have it done in Tijuana, she would have tried to discourage me, and then I wouldn't have this wonderful result. So honestly, just tell those that really need to know and that really care about you. Don't tell any randoms because honestly, it's none of their business. Basically, if you want to be part of FUE Club, the first rule is you don't tell anyone you're going to get FUE. The second rule of FUE Club is you don't talk about FUE Club unless you're a YouTuber like me that wants to help guys get a good FUE procedure. That's the only exception. And lastly, I want to give a shout out to a few guys who had FUE or will be having the FUE procedure very shortly. First off, to Jeremy Leibowitz, I love you, man. Have fun on that wedding you're heading to next week. Second, I want to give a shout out to Ricardo from Fresno. It looks like you're getting really good results. Your hair's a lot like mine, so I think this is going to be you really soon. And lastly, I want to give a shout out to Tommy Murphy from Toronto, who also happens to be a movie star. Oh yeah, he is. Look him up. And of course, a shout out to HMR, the Cortez brothers, Fred Riley, and my international audience. I have people that watch these videos in other countries. Surprisingly, people in India love watching my videos. So thank you to all my Indian fans. I love chicken tikka masala, by the way. And thank you to all my British fans, because surprisingly, I'm popular in the UK. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more videos and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'm Moises Amaya, and I'm out.